Now, you may be asking yourself, what is the Android System SafetyCore app? What the heck is it doing on my device? So you might have noticed this mysterious app pop up in your app list, or it's just silently lying in your system. Let me give you the gist of what we're looking at here. So, SafetyCore is a Google system service introduced in October 2024 via Google system updates. It's designed to power on-device safety features like Google Messages, sensitive content warnings, blur out nudity, and warn before viewing certain things. I'm sure you've seen it in apps like X, formerly known as Twitter. So if any content is too graphic, they will blur it out and then ask you, do you want to view this content? So the way it is said to work is when you receive or send an image, Messages can call SafetyCore to locally analyze it for sensitive content like nudity, graphic violence, and so forth. It blurs it and prompts a speed bump, asking if you want to proceed. Google says all analysis happens on device, so no images or data are sent to servers. Now, the reason why this app has had people so worried in the past, and I guess if you're only experiencing it now, is because it installs without warning, often via background updates. Most users don't even know it's on their device. There's no launcher icon. There's nothing that tells you, hey, I'm here. And so the question you're probably asking yourself is, should I keep this? If you're okay with sensitive content protection, especially for kids, it's harmless and, according to Google, works entirely on device. If you prefer no hidden apps handling your media, feel free to disable or completely remove it from the Play Store. Just know it may return in future updates. Gotta love Google. Well, there you have it, guys. SafetyCore is probably here to stay. According to Google, not spyware, but installed quietly. Want this feature? Keep it. Prefer control? Remove it. If that cleared it up, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and for more Android deep dives, you know where to find me.